Ever wondered how to make butter cashew cookies at home? Picture the aroma of freshly baked cookies wafting through your kitchen and the satisfaction of biting into a buttery, nutty delight you've made yourself. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind these scrumptious treats. First things first, gather all the ingredients. You'll need unsalted butter, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, and of course, cashews. Begin by preheating your oven. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven warms up, grab a large bowl. Here's where the magic starts. Cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. The goal is to achieve a light and fluffy texture. For the best results, use an electric mixer on medium speed. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, introduce 2 cups of all-purpose flour into the creamy mix. Also, add half a teaspoon each of baking powder and salt. Blend these ingredients together until they form a consistent dough. Now, pour in a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra kick of flavor. After that, it's time to add the star of the show, the cashews. Fold in 1 cup of chopped cashews into the dough. Divide the dough into small portions. Shape each portion into a ball and place them on a baking sheet. Press each ball lightly with a fork to create a crisscross pattern. Slide the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look for a golden brown color. That's your cue that the cookies are done. Once out of the oven, allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it. Butter cashew cookies, fresh from your oven. In summary, start by creaming together butter and sugar. Blend in flour, baking powder and salt. Add vanilla extract and fold in cashews. Shape the dough into balls. Press lightly with a fork and bake until golden brown. Remember, baking is an art. It's all about precision and patience. So take your time, follow these steps, and you'll be rewarded with the perfect butter cashew cookies. Enjoy the process, and most importantly, savor every bite of your homemade treat. Now, who's ready to start their baking adventure? Happy baking!